I'll see you soon. All right, so we have some Quacker Factory for you now. Now, this is an exclusive brand here at QVC that started over 30 years ago by Jean Bice, and she wanted to bring whimsical, fun styles to us here at QVC, and this is truly a beautiful top. I've presented this with Angel Smedley quite a few times. It's bright, it's cheery, it's fun, and now it went down from $58, where I thought that was a great price for what you're getting. First day ever, we've taken $32 off that price. It is now $25.99, so it's the second most affordable item in this hour, a 640088. This is the Iris Beauty and Lace Butterfly Top, double extra small to 3X. This right here is living coral, vibrant pink, already popular. And you'll notice, by the way, that the lace colors are different on each one, as well as all of the colors that you're seeing within the top. Periwinkle, $150, Kelly Green, fewer than 100, and then your black, $350. So this is customer top rated. Now that doesn't happen all the time here at QVC, especially with fashion. So that means you guys at home took the time out of your day to tell us what you thought and what your experience was. So if you want to, you can go to QVC.com and put in that item number, A640088, and actually read the reviews. People said it fits so well. I get so many compliments. It's so comfortable. I bought for my daughter. So people are buying these as gifts. I saw that as a trend in the reviews. So just a really easy breezy kind of top as we are getting into the warmer months or getting into vacation mindsets. And hey, lucky for you, if you live in a warm climate where you can wear this right now, well, you need to pick it up at this price. So it's a woven fabrication, very lightweight, 100% polyester, so kind of silky to the touch. And thank you for that shot. You'll see that beautiful lace framing the neckline. Look at that, so pretty. I especially love this yellow lace. So it just really adds a touch of elegance to the top. And then you have this nice flowy sleeve right here, and it's tacked down. So unfortunately, because I'm not wearing it, I can't show you, but it is tacked down. So you can wear your regular undergarments. You don't need to layer if you don't want to. So when you put your arm up, you have that modesty. So wear it as a top, wear it as a cover up, however you want to wear it. It's just a really nice addition to your warmer month, to your warmer wardrobe. And then you have that nice rounded hemline. Just a really nice soft rounded hemline, 26.5 to 32.5 inches in length. And your Flutter sleeves, by the way, are 3/4 inches. That's our most requested sleeve length here at the Q. So you're getting just kind of everything in this top, and it's so lightweight that when you think about packing it, I mean, you can just easily roll it up and it's not gonna wrinkle. So just roll it up in a ball, and this is how you're gonna travel. Throw it in your beach bag, throw it in your luggage, no problem. It's just a really fun top, $25.99, and Angel and I were talking about it recently, and it reminds me of that kind of top that when you go to, you know, when you go on vacation, and Jackie, I know you like to travel, right? Okay, so when you travel, I'm gonna come over there a moment. I don't wanna shout at you. Like, but when I travel, I love to go into the boutiques and see what they got going on.
Yeah, but this would be very expensive.
Well, that's what I was gonna say. This reminds me of, like, we went to Fiji. That was one of our stops on our honeymoon. And I remember specifically there was one boutique and the clothing was so ridiculous. And this is the kind of top that I saw in that place with the lace and just the flowy, silkiness. I think there were tops that were like $200, $300. So when you see a top like this, with all that detailing, $25.99 is really just an absolute steal. I love the lace that lines the neckline. Again, it's just so flattering.
Beautiful.
Jeans, sandals, throw on sneakers, even as a cover up.
It's a happy shirt.
It is a happy shirt.
You look at it and you're happy.
Yes, I'm like, I feel like you could wear big glasses and a hat. Absolutely. And like you're having coffee on the, you know, on the balcony overlooking the water, or you're brunching. It is like, that's a money top right there.
Absolutely.
That is a money top. All right, so I'm gonna walk on over. By the way, Jackie is wearing the large, and she is 5'9". So we have living coral, that's what Miss Jackie was wearing, 600 to go around. Vibrant pink, 500. Periwinkle, 150. Kelly green, 6 dozen, and black, 300. Double extra small to 3X, machine wash, tumble dry. Give us a call, 800-345-1515.